Hi everybody, welcome to Fastwin Auto Parts. Now, Mr. Allen enjoy 2026 Turkey Bank Auto Parts Show. Fastwin come to Turkey 10 years ago. Now it's our second time to come to Turkey Auto Parts Show. We have old friends here. We also have some customers like Syria, for Turkey, also South Africa. First, we are special for China spare parts such as for BYD, for EV car, also Chang'an, Chery, Jeku, Lenovo, BYD, Geely, MT, Zero N300 and N400. Also like heavy truck for judgment, also like for shoes. We are on way to open many like different China cars. It is for oversee the market. Here we have some special factors for plant keys, also like for gate, and rail keys, and tram keys. Here all these are OEM factors in China. These factors are OEM like top 3 high quality control for auto spare parts QS 9,000. Brand is like 10 We have also another subject like for special for injector systems, for injector, for fuel pumper, like for oxygen sensor, for speed sensor, for automatic control sensor, special like for Audi, Volkswagen, Renault, Kia. So it's new subject if you market have many cars or use the automatic. Another case we have some special spare parts for like for aging cylinder head corporate. You can check here. You can have number for cylinder head like for 4 cylinder head. This one is for 1 cylinder head for agriculture with like for piston, camshaft, also like for liner. We hope in future you can enjoy Fastwin for China car, also for engine spare parts, try different cars like Chinese, Korea, Japanese, Germany, American. Whatever you want, you can enjoy Fastwin standard here. We are at Turkey France show to wait for you. My boss is wait for you. Thank you. Bye bye.